So this last piece I'm going to do is, it's, like a robe hook. Now, one of the most important things that you need to think about is your eyes. While you're walking around the bathroom, you're not going to be paying attention. You can walk in and walk your eye right into this. So just think about, who the tallest person is in your household, which would be me. Take that and mount it maybe another 5 or 6 inches taller. That'll give you plenty of distance to keep your eyes up and out of the way. Now I just want to center this, make sure I have enough room on either side, and take my pencil and just lightly mark the bottom right there. Now this is the template that they give you, or the face plate. I'm going to put the bottom of that plate right here and just mark the inside of both of those holes so I know where to drill. Now this kit, like the others, includes drywall anchors and screws. Now, as you may remember in the video where I installed the towel rack on the back of the door, I installed that into wood. This obviously is drywall, but there's wood behind this. So what I want to do first is take my smaller drill bit first and try drilling in and see if wood is coming out of there. That will give me the option to just use the screws. Now, one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen up the chuck on my drill and make sure that I'm not drilling any deeper than the depth of my screw. Now I know if I screw all the way down to this, then that's the entire depth of my screw. I don't want to go quite that far, but if I'm hitting wood before I hit that, then at least I know I only have to use my screw. So I'm going to put my brad point on the first one. Yep, and I am hitting wood behind there. So, like I said before, I'm not going to drill all the way down because I'm drilling into wood. Now, basically like everything else that I've shown you, I'm just going to make sure there's always like an up or letters or something like this on the faceplate. Just make sure that those are facing upwards. That'll make sure that you're installing it in the right direction in case the top or bottom are different. Typically they are not, but it may be helpful in case they are. Now, if I had drilled through this and, the drill bit went right through, the nice thing about starting off with the smaller drill bit is if I had discovered that this was hollow behind there, I can always grab the bigger drill bit and follow the hole that I took before. Now, I don't want to tighten this all the way down so that it's super tight. I want to tighten it down and then back it out maybe a quarter turn. And the reason I'm doing that is the faceplate here, when it's tightened all the way down, I can't see the bottom hole. So now I want to lift up the faceplate so that I can see where the bottom hole is. Tighten this basically down the same amount. Oops. Make sure it's going in straight, not getting all squirrely on you. And then what I'm going to want to do with this bottom one is hold it up as high as I can get it, because if you remember, we marked the bottom right here. So that's about where we want that to go. And tighten that all the way. And then come back and add back that quarter turn that you loosened up that plate before. So now that's nice and tight. Now, if you've watched the other videos, basically, as unenthusiastic as this may be, it's the same exact process as the other ones. You're going to put the fixture, hook it on back there, line it up so that it's sitting flush, and then basically just tighten this tightening screw at the bottom. You could take your favorite robe, find the little hook here, or use the hood. Oops. And hook it on like that, or hook it on like that. That is how you hang up a robe hook. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.